Mind-blowing facts about cats. Get ready to have your mind blown with these amazing cat facts. Ever wondered why cats love boxes? It's their hunting instinct. Each cat's nose is as unique as a human's fingerprint. Shocking, isn't it? But there's more. Cats can make over 100 different sounds, unlike dogs who can make only 10. Bet you didn't see that coming. And did you know that cats spend nearly 70% of their lives sleeping? Talk about living the dream. Tune in next time for more surprising cat facts. Stay curious, cat lovers.